First-person shooter. Nerf gun mode, negative. First priority, head to the bunker. This will be your new weapon. Move out.
Come on, Sergeant. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Come on. Check all directions. Keep moving. Let's move. The tacos have been sent in.
Go. They're down. Move, Sergeant.
Hey guys, I have many things to tell you.
First.
No! Sergeant! Are you alright? That's it, you traitor. Time to die.
Crazy piece of crap.
I know, he's dead now. Pick up his weapon. Good.
I don't think I can pick up my legs.
Sir, are you alright? Lay down, lay down.
If we don't make it back soon, I'll bleed to death, and there's enemies on the way.
I'll have to go without you.
Whatever you think is best, sir.
No, I'm not leaving you. Let's move.
I've seen on mission.
Kill him! He's dead.
Yeah.
Medic!
I'm on the way. Watch out!
Help him. I forgot something to tell you, audience. I'm actually a guy in a mask. Bum bum bum.
Okay. He's all good.
Okay. All right. Get him up.
Get up. My weapon.
Good mission. Mission complete. From the guy in a mask. Bum bum bum. With Death and Beast and a guy